do they mix this with water? How do they?
So you see these little mica flakes, right? These little bits of mica that look kind of like glitter almost, right? This gets mixed with clay, which is in fact this mineral, which is called potassium feldspar. Clay is potassium feldspar after it has weathered away. So after it's been exposed to a lot of water, it turns into a clay. And when you mix the two together, you get that base that with sparkles and sort of a clay base, you know, that you put on the brush and then put on the face. An interesting point of this is that a lot of makeups are replacing natural mica with microplastics. The small glitter is plastic. And if you know anything, I've heard anything about microplastics in the oceans, fish are ingesting these microplastics. These plastics are small enough that they actually don't get ejected, they actually get incorporated into the cell structure of fish. So as these fish continue to eat these plastics, they build up this plastic content, and then when we harvest the fish, we eat the fish, and plastic then gets put into our cell structure.
Circle of life.
Right? Yeah, circle of life, or not so life, depending on how you look at it. But that's something that you can keep an eye out for on your makeup as you buy it, is if it shows mica on it, then it's an all natural. And if it shows plastic, microplastics, then it's got, you know.
Are they doing that because it's cheaper, the plastics?
Yeah, it's easier to make. You know, you have to go out and mine this. You have to go and find this somewhere and bring it in, where plastic material is a lot more convenient to mass produce.